Hello viewers, unlike Windows and Mac OS, which come pre-installed in the majority of laptops, Ubuntu OS has to be installed externally. As you'll be installing it manually, it is imperative to find a good laptop that can run Ubuntu and other flavors without any compatibility problems. If you're a Power Linux user or privacy-focused individual who also uses Tails OS, then you're well aware that it's light on resources and doesn't require high specifications to run smoothly. However, if you're going to perform resource-intensive tasks such as machine learning, video editing, etc., then you should consider getting a machine that has a powerful GPU. Check out our list of the best laptops for Ubuntu and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. ASUS ZenBook 13. The ASUS ZenBook 13 is a lightweight and very slim laptop perfectly compatible for you to run the Linux operating system. You would love the design, and the build quality is fabulous. The CPU runs on an Intel Core i5 8265U processor and can be boosted to 3.9 GHz power, an incredible addition to this laptop, making it very powerful and stable at the same time. The best part is it has a small screen IE 13.3-inch wide-view Full HD Nano Edge bezel that fits in an ultra-compact frame. Moving on, it has 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD storage capacity. It is perfect for helping you run the Ubuntu system on your laptop very smoothly and effectively, as we know that laptops need at least 4 GB of RAM to run the Linux operating system. Still, this laptop has twice what is needed, making it a beast. It is designed for effortless portability. UX 331 is just 0.5 thin and less than 2.5 pounds light. You can carry it around when traveling. Another incredible feature about this laptop is that the battery power is about 14 hours long and with the entire day on a single charge. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Asus Chromebook Flip C433 2-in-1 Laptop. The Asus Chromebook Flip is an incredible 2-in-1 Chromebook for Ubuntu. It has been equipped with a 2.1 GHz Intel Core M processor that would work perfectly well for the Ubuntu operating system. You can even feel the changes involved once you start using the laptop. Furthermore, the incredible 12.5-inch Full HD touchscreen display is more than you could ask for. Enjoy the UI of the amazing Linux operating system and everything it has to offer. With an incredible 8 GB RAM storage, you can do wonders. Since it does not come pre-installed with the Ubuntu system, you can easily get it after getting your hands on it. The RAM storage will do its job to keep the system stable and fast enough to run it in good shape. Furthermore, looking at the storage capacity is only 64 GB, which is not the best considering you have to work on Ubuntu, but work on an average good to go. Speaking of the design, it has a 360-degree hinge that can help this laptop to turn around and be changed to a tablet look-alike. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. HP Chromebook 4 GB RAM. The HP Chromebook is yet another laptop that comes pre-installed with a Chrome operating system that can be changed to Linux as per your needs. One of the cheapest you will ever find and can be used for every generic purpose only. It runs on an Intel Celeron N3060 dual-core processor, a little outdated as compared to such incredible upgradation. It is much lower than what we had recommended, but then for average work should work fine. Also, the screen size is 15.6 with a full HD touchscreen display. You can enjoy the touchscreen features on this small-sized laptop with a bigger screen. On the contrary, the only issue is the very low-sized 4 GB RAM and much lower 16 GB storage capacity. Not the ideal one for those looking for a very powerful system for everyday usage. But if your budget is low and there is nothing much you would be expecting to do with this laptop, you can go for it, and it will work fine. The body is plastic made, not something to be proud of. But what more can we ask for at such a price? If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Acer Chromebook 15. The Acer Chromebook 15 is a decent machine, is also one of the best laptops for Ubuntu. It runs on an Intel Pentium N4200 that gives a very average performance overall and can be boosted to 2.5 GHz for better results. The screen size is 15.6 inches with a widescreen IPS LED backlit multi-touch display. You get incredible picture quality and a bright display. The large touch display lets you see and do more with less scrolling, surf, organize, swipe, and edit. This laptop is equipped with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. This isn't a lot to satisfy all the needs of a laptop, but is capable enough to run Ubuntu on your machine. The storage may have some issues since it is very low for all your activities. Speaking of the design, it looks very sleek and weighs 4.85 pounds that you can carry anywhere you wish to. The body is made of aluminum and can be laid down to a 180-degree flat for better access. Chromebook runs on Chrome OS, which is something you can get rid of and install Ubuntu by yourself or ask a technician for this. All the apps you find in Google are available here and very easy to access. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Dell XPS 13. The Dell XPS 13 is an expensive deal yet incredible machine with some incredible features to look out for. This laptop runs on an Intel quad-core i7-8550U 1.8 GHz processor. It is bound to give you the best performance and even better speed. You can boost it up to a maximum of 3.9 GHz frequency. Here we have another incredible touchscreen Infinity Edge 4K Ultra HD with a 13.3-inch display. The only laptop here with an incredible picture quality that is left undefeated. Now, moving on to the storage and RAM size, it had 16 GB DDR3 RAM with 512 GB SSD storage. You can store tons of your data on this laptop and never have to worry about the Linux operating system, which you will have to install separately since it comes pre-installed with Windows OS. Also, the battery life isn't too far behind. You can use it for all your gaming and professional work for a straight 8 hours or even more depending on the usage. But overall, it should work well if not the best. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.